Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the abnormal activity or suspicious activity detection using machine learning. So first user have to open the terminal and run the Python file. Then it will open the home page where user have to browse any input video. So let's select this video and that particular model will recognize that particular activity, okay, like robbery, fighting, arson, road accidents, arrest. So these all are activity which are performed by the particular persons. So what it will do, like it will predict like what activity is performing right now in that particular video. So user can upload any input video and model will recognize the activity. So this machine learning model is trained on the multiple like classes of activities. According to the user inputs, it will recognize that particular activity. So this is the complete project. This project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the graphical user interface. It is a software-based project and machine learning used to train the model. If you're searching at project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techprojects.com. Or if you're searching any project related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, neural network, OpenCV, computer vision, Java, Android, or web development, then you can contact us. Already provided the contact link in descriptions. So this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Let's check out complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.